In this video, we will apply significant figures when calculating multiplication and division problems. When computing multiplication and division problems, the rule is that your answer must have the same number of significant figures as a number with the fewest number of significant figures. For example, let's say we multiply 2.2 times 4.31. Since 2.2 has the least number of significant figures, with having 2, our final answer must have 2 significant figures. So in this problem, the product, after we multiply 4.31 times 2.2, is 9.262. And now we have to round to 2 significant figures, and this will give us 9.3. I want to stress to please do the calculation first and then apply the correct number of significant figures. Now that we have a solid understanding of this concept, let's do some practice problems. For the first problem, we have 2,222 times 2. 2 only has one significant figure, while 2,222 has 4 significant figures. Therefore, the final answer must have one significant figure. But as I mentioned earlier, when we're dealing with significant figures from multiplication and division, we have to calculate our answer first and then apply the appropriate significant figures. So after multiplying 2,222 times 2, we get 4,444. Now we have to round to one significant figure, and using scientific notation, this will give us 4 times 10 to the power of 3. Let's do the next problem. Here we have 120.00 divided by 4.00. Now, if you were to plug this into a calculator, it will simply give you 30. But remember, we have to apply significant figures to this product, or this answer. We see that 4.00 is a number with the fewest number of significant figures, having 3. So we have to round 30 to 3 significant figures, and here we get 30.0. For our next problem, we have 45.0 divided by 3.000. And as you probably can tell, we have to round 15 to 3 significant figures, since 45.0 is the number with the fewest significant figures. And this will give us 15.0. For the next problem, we have 5.634 times 2.0. This will give us 11.268. Since 2.0 is a number with the fewest significant figures, having 2, we have to round our answer to 2 significant figures, giving us 11. Next, we have 8.12 divided by 4.1. This gives us 1.98048780488. 4.1 is a number with the fewest number of significant figures, having 2, so we will round our answer to 2.0. Last, we have 61 times 274.21. This gives us 16,726.81. Since 61 has the fewest number of significant figures, being 2, we will round our answer to 2 sig figs, giving us 1.7 times 10 to the power of 4. So as a reminder, whether you are solving multiplication or division problems where you have to apply significant figures, make sure your answer reflects the factor or dividend that has the fewest number of significant figures. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you next time.